So friends, chemical reactions of carboxylic acid, it can be divided into various breakdown. As you know, carboxylic acid has the common formula RCOOH. Out of RCOOH, the first breakdown is possible between oxygen and hydrogen. That is, we have seen in our earlier class. What happened when hydrogen is displaced by metal? That is metal displacement, and we obtain the acetate or acetate like compounds. Now today we are going to learn the reaction involving in cleavage of COH bond. So what happens if COH bond is breakdown? This is one. And at last we will learn, friends, the whole COOH group will be removed from the carboxylic acid. So first of all, we are going to learn the second type in which COH bond will be break. Here, the reactions or the chemical properties we are going to learn are also the preparation of some derivatives of carboxylic acid. For example, anhydride or acid chloride or esters can be prepared by these reactions. So this is two-way thing. One is chemical property of carboxylic acid, as well as it is preparation of derivatives of carboxylic acid. So first derivative is, friends, anhydride. Anhydride is, friend, RCOOCOR. It can be written like this also, RCOOCOR, or it can be written RCO twice O. This is called anhydride. So how the anhydride is prepared from carboxylic acid, friends? For that we have to take the carboxylic acid molecule. This is a common formula, friends, RCOOH, and then one more RCOOH is to be taken. This is also, friends, RCOOH. So two different molecules of acid may be equal or different R's we can consider, and in presence of, friends, any other acid as catalyst, delta temperature is required, or sometimes instead of acid we can consider P2O5 as a catalyst in presence of temperature. And friends, what happened? It's a simple reaction in which, friends, H from here and OH from here. So the water molecule will be removed, friends. What is left part? Left part you can see here is RCO. RCOO. This is RCOO. And friends, then after this part will be joined here to give us anhydride product. So this is the reaction by which we can obtain anhydride. Let's take one simple example of it by considering CH3 instead of, friends, R. Then this is CH3 and COOH. This is called ethanoic acid, IUPAC name, or, friends, it is also known as acetic acid. One more molecule of acetic acid is to be taken here. This is CH3COOH. Once again, catalysts are same, P2O5, delta temperature is required, friends, and by the same thing, what will be happened? OH from here, friends, right? Another H from here, friends, and one oxygen will be removed. So this oxygen will be here. So H and OH will remove as H2O. What is left part? Left part is CH3. This is CH3. Then, friends, C double bond O. This is one more oxygen. Now, friends, this oxygen's hydrogen is removed. That's why its valency is unsatisfied, and that's why this bond will directly join with here C, this is CO and CH3. So what is it, friends? CH3, CO, twice O can be written normally. It's ethanoic anhydride. What is it? Ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride. So this is the first derivative of, friends, carboxylic acid. First derivative of carboxylic acid in which the anhydride product is to be obtained. The second derivative we can obtain is, friends, ester. How the ester is obtained from carboxylic acid? So remember, friends, acid plus alcohol will gives us ester plus water. This is a common formula, friends, and reaction is a reversible reaction. So look at here carefully. The common formula is RCOOH for acid, R dash OH for alcohol. Reversible reaction, two-way reaction. Once again, the same thing, H and OH will remove as, friends, H2O. This is RCOO left part, RCOO, and then R dash will join here. This is the common formula of ester. So this reaction is in presence of H plus. It may be hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. The reaction becomes faster as they acts as a catalyst. One example, let's consider, friends, CH3, COOH, acetic acid, or its ethanoic acid. And, friends, for example, C2H5OH, ethanol is taken as alcohol in presence of H plus. This H and OH will remove as H2O, friends, and this is CH3, COO, and the rest part from alcohol, that is C2H5, will join to the CH3COO. This is ethyl, and, friends, this is called ethanoate. As per IUPAC name, ethyl acetate is a common name. Ethyl ethanoate is a IUPAC name, and ethyl acetate is a common name. So this is the important product we obtain, ester, like this. So we have seen total two reactions here, two preparations, two derivatives of acid, carboxylic acid. One is anhydride, another is, friend, ester.